Namaskaram, Namaste, Adab, Ellarka Vanakkam, Namaskara. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to check we are going to find the range of numbers of prime numbers from a starting point to ending point. Before that, I would like to say, please do watch this video what I made before. That is nothing but checking a number is prime or not. Okay, before, yeah, without seeing this video or without knowing how to check whether a number is prime or not, I request you to do not watch this video. Okay, yeah. Now we are going to check what or print range of prime numbers. Okay, print, yeah, yeah. Before this, I explained in Java. Don't worry, I will. If you want, do watch in that Java. Please go ahead. It is available in our channel also. Yeah. In general, first understand the problem statement. Range is nothing but I am saying the main meaning, not definition. Okay. It has some start point, right? Start to ending, end point, right? Yeah. If I give Bluetooth an example, explain with, sorry, I don't know the Bluetooth ring also. See, Bluetooth, I think. I am requesting all you all if there are any mistakes with my communication skills, my logic, or like the spelling mistakes, please excuse me. Okay. Try to take the logic or code only. Okay. Yeah. Bluetooth. If we take Bluetooth as an example, it has some range. Sorry. It has some range, right? Range that about, yeah, 0 to 100 meters. Think like this. I am saying example only. I don't know exactly. Yeah, meters. Yeah, likewise this is the range I want to explain to you. Range is nothing but a starting point to ending point, including in between also, whatever it may be. Okay. Yeah. Then coming to prime, hope you already know that. If not, just I am giving a brief introduction. A number is considered as prime when it is divisible by number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. Okay, itself only is highlight point. Okay, if I didn't mention only, you may think 1 and itself and extra will be there, so I mentioned only. Okay, yeah. Or only having two factors, I can say in this way also. Yeah, why I am getting this. Okay, yeah. Hope this is the you understand our problem statement of the day, or this particular problem. I so in my channel I have a habit of highlighting problem what I can say, problem statement of the video with green color. That is my habit. And what about the logic or what about the algorithm? I will mention it as, sorry, yeah, I will mention it as with red color. I am going to explain the algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but step by step process to execute our program or execute anything. In general, algorithm means. Okay, yeah. Coming to the algorithm, first step, there should be two values. Sorry, I am saying related to programming. No, we need to know starting and ending point, right? Yeah, I will better to, it's better to maintain like this. Okay, Yeah, starting point and ending point. Yeah, that is the range actually. And the second point is simple, checking each and every number between, checking numbers between, between what, start point and end point, right? I will simply say them as, yeah, start and end points. Hope you got the point. And if that particular number is start and end point, whether they are prime, okay, whether prime or not. If prime means, if prime means I will print simple. Yeah, if not a prime means not prime, then is it necessary to print anything? No need. No need any action. Okay. Hope you got the algorithm or easy steps or the steps to be followed to execute this. Okay. Now I am, without wasting your time, I am going to execute this code. If you carefully observe, sorry, by Java's mistakes. Okay. Yeah. If you carefully observe, we need two variables, right? Those are nothing but start and end. Yeah. For both, I am we are taking them as input of integers, right? So I mentioned like that, int of input of, what I can say, enter the starting point, starting point of range. Yeah, range. Yeah. And as same as I will copy this and paste. Not exactly or completely. I will modify them. Modify it. Sorry. Ending point. Simply, yeah, end is ending point, right? Yeah. After that I am using a for loop. Why? Because we are taking a range, right? Yeah. Here also range coming. Okay. We should include the start and end also. So I am representing it as end plus one. Within that, I am checking whether the particular number, each and every number is greater than 1 or not. Because if you enter without this if statement, if I enter uh, 1 as starting value, it is printing that also, because 1 will not divisible by any number. So but 1 is not a prime number also, so we should neglect that, sorry. And negative numbers should also be neglected, sorry, sorry. I'll leave that, forget. Hope you got my point. If negative number I give as starting point, then it is printing without this I greater than 1. Simple. Okay. What is that word? Negligent neglect. Okay, I will learn in my after this video. Yeah, I am taking another for loop because we need to check, sorry, we need to check from each and whether that particular I is divisible by itself and, what I can say, from 1 and itself, right? So I am taking like that. Okay. After that, yeah, before that we need a count value, right? Simply I will make them as, or rename that with factors. Factors are initially 0, imagine like this. Okay. Now if that particular I, that is nothing but the all numbers from starting point to ending point is divisible by any number from 1 and itself, then automatically the factors will be incremented to 1 at each and every time. Okay. After that, after you, sorry, yeah, I am writing in my life, sorry, in my day more in Java That is the problem. Okay, after that I am checking whether that sorry count sorry factors that is 2 or not, because I included 1 and itself also, right, the number itself. So the factor should be true, sorry 2. Then only I am printing the that I value. Let's see whether I am getting correct output. After that I will make some changes. Okay, if I enter 1 and 10, yeah, 2357, by God's grace I am getting it. I will print another statement here, that is nothing but the numbers, the prime numbers, I will mention them as prime. Yeah, the prime numbers between what I can say. Yeah, I will start and I will also continue. And see, if you give spaces like this, your code will be understandable and it will be beautiful. Okay, not just girl. Okay, it will be somewhat professional, I can say. Yeah, better to say professional when compared to without using that end. Is is yeah, let's see now. Let me check with -2 and 10. The output should be like this: the prime numbers between -2 and 10 is followed by the prime numbers. Okay, yeah, the prime numbers between -2 and 10 is 2, 3, 5, 7. The negative values also neglected, sorry, the negative numbers are avoided, and only positive numbers without 1 and prime numbers are printing. Okay, let's go to the logic. I don't want to. Okay, you may ask like this, right? I will copy this and for your better understanding purpose. Yeah, yeah, let's check without that if condition. Okay, sorry, I hate this type of. Yeah, if I run this, just try to give the same input. Okay, -2 and 10. The output will be wrong this time. It will print -2, -1, 0. Yeah, 0 also. 1 followed by 2, 3, 5, 7. Oh, why? Sorry, I don't know what's happening here. I will rerun this. It should come like that. Sorry for my explanation. I don't know why. Okay, in Java it is came like that. That's why I mentioned that. Okay, okay. Please excuse me. Okay, yeah. Now also we are getting correct output. Let's give some another. Okay, from 10 to 50. Yeah, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay, with yeah, it has been so much time. Yeah, let's understand the simple logic. I am not going to explain each and everything, because I already explained what is prime, what is how to check whether a number is prime or not. So simply we are I will take I like to explain like this. Okay, initially it take starting value as, sorry, my handwriting will be somewhat danger, sorry, what I can say uh, will be not good or not beautiful, I think. Okay, if I give 2 to 10, I don't have mouse, bro. That's why I can't able to, what I can say, draw them clearly. Okay, I will reduce this. Okay, coming to this one, I am checking first what I gave. 2 to 10, right? 2 to 10. Yeah, first the I value is nothing but 2. I am checking whether that 2 is prime or not. It is prime only, right? Yeah, so it is printed. Okay, then what about 3, sir? Sorry. Generally I am studying in institute. My sir told like in this way, so I am imitating him. I will avoid that. Okay, yeah, whether 2 is prime or not. Yeah, prime. And after that 4. Sorry, I apologize you. I will better to text. So many, I think so many people are scolding me now. Okay, yeah, imagine I as 4. It is not a prime because it will be divisible by 2, 1 and 4. Okay, not will be printed. And I 5, it is printed, and I will make it a star, indicating in our channel star is nothing but true. Okay, yeah, yeah, because 5 divisible by itself and 1, apart from those two, it will not divisible by anything. Okay, if I take I as 6, it is divisible by 2, 3, 6 and 1. The factor should be only 2, right? The count of factors should be 2, not true, 2, TWO2. Okay, if I is 7, 7 is obviously a prime Dhoni number. Then what about 8? 8 is not a prime, so it will be neglected. It will be avoided. Better to learn that word pronunciation, negligent. Okay, I is 9, then it is also neglected. Sorry, avoided. I is 10, then it is also avoided. Okay, yeah, finally we got what the prime numbers as from 2 to 10. 2, yeah, 3, 5 and 7, like here. Yeah, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, hope you got understand. Please let me know if you have any doubts or any tips to improve my communication skills or explaining skills or teaching skills. Okay, in the comment section. Don't I will not ask for subscribe, because if you like you automatically subscribe. Okay, I hope for that. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.